1 to 10, how do you think you, on a scale of 1 to 10, Ian, how do you think you performed?
I gave it my best.
Dili on a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
Sige. Effort?
Super.
Oh, so, pero sa tanan questions, of all the questions na na-added to, if not ka ng 100% sure ka, you at least had something to say or had knowledge of it. Like, you can't say na, oh my God, I have no idea about it. Parang ana.
I have parang partial knowledge. At least partial knowledge. I literally I had to force myself to write. When I saw the paragraph, nano ko ma-formulate na answer. I forced myself to write yun. Balag sakit siya, kaya di na ako siya mahuman otherwise. Wala na kayo pakialam kung correct or wrong.
So, pero naka-enough time to, like, look at some of the
naka-enough time to review. Then parang the more I review, the more ko na-convince na sakto ko. So, dili siya review kay,
Hindi, at least,
Nangyayari ko